Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Apple TV remote to your Samsung TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to use their Apple TV remote in order to actually control their Samsung TV. This was the position that I'm in, and here's how I did it. Now, the way to do this is that you're first going to go into your settings tab over here, and then next you're going to scroll down to where it says remotes and devices. Now, on this page here, you want to scroll down even more, and then under home theater control, you're going to see control TVs and receivers. You want to make sure that this is set to on, and then you also want to make sure that volume control is selected to auto. I had these both turned off, so I wasn't able to actually use my Apple TV remote to control my Samsung TV. But once you set this to on and you set this to auto, you will now be able to turn on and off your TV using the power button here, and you'll also be able to control the volume using these volumes button here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pair your Apple TV remote to your Samsung TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.